Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the whole question of IMAT math this session. Come to question number 53. In question we are given that 2 log x minus 3 equals to log y, and notice that logarithm with base 10. Okay, and in question express y in term of x. For this question, firstly recall the properties of logarithm. Logarithm of 10 with base 10 is equals to 1. Remember this. Actually, logarithm of a with base a is equals to 1, where a is greater than 1 and a not equals to 1. This is property of a logarithm, that is logarithm of a with base a always is equals to 1. In our case, logarithm of 10 with base 10 equals to 1. Now result second is logarithm of x into y equals to logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. And third result is logarithm of x upon y equals to logarithm of x minus logarithm of y. Now last result is logarithm of x power n equals to n time logarithm of x. Question we have 2 time of logarithm of x minus 3 equals to logarithm of y. As in this equation logarithm is with base 10, this implies that minus 3 can be written as minus 3 into 1 and 1 can be written as logarithm of 10 with base 10, that is minus 3 into log of 10. Now this implies that 2 time of log x minus 3 log 10 is equals to log y. Now for this term apply result 4, that is logarithm of x square minus apply result 4 again this term logarithm of 10 raised to power 3 equals to log y as it is. Now in this apply result 3, that is logarithm of x square upon 10 raised to power 3 with base 10 is equals to logarithm of 10 y with base 10. Now in mathematics we know that logarithm function is a 1 function, that is if logarithm of x is equals to logarithm of y, this implies that x is equals to y. This is property of logarithm. Now we have logarithm of x square upon 10 raised to power 3 is equals to logarithm of y. This implies that this term equals to this term, that is x square upon 10 raised to power 3 is equals to y, that is y is equals to x square, y is equals to x square upon 1000, and this implies that option A is correct, option B incorrect, C incorrect, D incorrect, and E incorrect. That is option A is correct. Question number 55 of IMAT. In this question, the variables x and y satisfy the following two equations, that is x plus 3y is equals to 13 and 2x minus y is equals to 5. In this question, what is the value of x plus y and these 5 options? Now come to explanation. As we know that in given question x plus 3y is equals to 13, say this equation first and this equation second. Recall the property in geometry. We know that solution of equation first and second means the point of intersection of these two lines in xy plane, and solution of this means the pair x comma y. Now for these two equations, the best techniques to solve this equation is from first, that is x plus 3y is equals to 13, x is equals to 13 minus 3y, that is find single variable and put this single variable in other equation, that is equation 2. We get 2 into 13 minus 3y minus y is equals to 5. This implies 26 minus 6y minus y is equals to 5. After some simplification, this implies that 26 minus 7y is equals to 5, and this can be written as 21 is equals to 7y, that is 7 divide this 3, that is y is equals to 3. Put this value of y is equals to 3 in equation first. We get x plus 3 into 3 is equals to 13. This implies that x plus 9 is equals to 13, that is x is equals to 4, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3. This implies that our solution, that is x comma y equals to 4 comma 3. This is a common solution of equation first and second. Now in question we have to ask x plus y is equals to x value 4 and y value 3. X 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. This implies that option A correct and option B, C, D and E are incorrect. Question number 57 of IMAT, and in this question the arithmetic mean of three numbers A, B, C is 8, and find the arithmetic mean of four numbers A plus 1, B plus 2, C plus 6 and 3. Recall that if we have n numbers, that is x1, x2, x3 and xn, then in this case arithmetic mean, that is am, is equals to sum of all these numbers upon n, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on plus xn upon n. Now come to explanation of this question. In question we have given that arithmetic mean of three numbers a, b, c is 8. This implies that a plus b plus c upon 3 is equals to 8, because we have three numbers, so divide by 3 and arithmetic mean is 8. This implies that a plus b plus c is equals to 24. Note this equation. Now in question find the arithmetic mean of a plus 1, b plus 2, c plus 6 plus 3. This implies that sum of these four numbers upon 4 is equals to separate ABC terms, that is a plus b plus c plus 12, that is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 is equals to 12 upon 4. This implies that a plus b plus c is equals to 24 plus 12 upon 4. This is equals to 36 upon 4 is equals to 9, that is 9. Now come to options. Option A incorrect, option B incorrect, C incorrect, E incorrect. Option D is correct. To question number 58 of IMAT, and question is find the value of this expression, and we use this question best technique to solve this question, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We can verify this result using this result. 27 square minus 23 square can be written as 27 minus 23 into 27 plus 23, and this 14 minus 6 plus 14 plus 6, that is 4 into 50 and 8 into 20, that is 200 upon 160 is equals to 360. This implies that option A incorrect, C incorrect, D incorrect, E incorrect and option B is correct.